Hi, my name is Maria Fernanda Micaela Muñoz Cárdenas. I was born on December 14, 202 in Trujillo, Peru. I have six younger siblings, two brothers, and four sisters. I am a student of business administration and management, and my favorite subjects are accounting and human resources. I also work as a waitress and manager at a restaurant in Pueblo Libre. My hobbies are reading romance novels and watching movies with my sister. I am taking English classes because I would like to expand my vocabulary. Yes. Thank you so much. Bye.